Yeah, you probably will be able to.
We're talking about mini blinds. You know how thick they are?
Oh, the mini blinds.
There's a skylight up there. It's so much light to here. On the bedroom there, and I'm going in to show you the bathtub. Bathtub is in. This is the guest bathtub. Mexican sand. We're gonna have a chandelier hanging from up there.
Did you have?
Act as an insulator.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No. Well, I'm sure we'll have drapes on most of them.
Pictures because everything's basically the same, but I'm going inside now. Yeah, I'm going upstairs. Bedroom. Show where the wiring box is. Master bathroom. Over Mr. Bath. That's where the bathtub is going to go. Door handle. It's going to have those handles will be throughout the house. Antique gold. Kitchen. Now let's see, I have to. There's the outlets. There's another one there. Two more there. Over there, over there. Outlet over there. Outlet down there. Outlet over there. And it's for a chandelier up there. The den, there's an outlet there. Outlet over there. Boxes over there for the washing machine. Outlet over there, still in the den. Now I'm in the powder room.
Kicks it off tonight with two
Those are the outlets there.
Roseanne, of course, and Chicken Soup with Mr. Mason.
An outlet there.
And the loved Robbie Dupree,
The hall.
Chicago, the Mindbenders,
Outlet
and
there.
Liz there. More than I can say, all from Easy 100 FM. And we'll be
Outlet
giving...
there. I'm going upstairs. Into the bedroom that's going to have a twin bed. Now where are the outlets? There's one, two, another one, two down there. Down there, one there, one there, one down there, one there, one there, one there. A skylight is there, it looks so nice. Now I'm going into the guest room. There, two are there, one there. One there, one there, one there. The opening to the storage space. One door, two door, and three doors down there. I'm in the guest bathroom. The outlet is there, and there's one there. This is down the steps, looking into the master bedroom. There's a nice oak floor. This is the master bedroom. floor. There'll be tile here, and then you see the oak floor on the steps, oak floor here, oak floor down the hall, and oak floor in the den. Below in the building, we're waiting for sheetrock. What are we waiting for? Sheetrock and the plumber and an inspection. So we are now waiting. Well, 2 weeks I haven't taken anything because nothing was done, but now we've got the sheetrock up, so we'll tour the house once more. The closet. The hall. Steps going up. Kitchen. Over down the hallway. Hallway. That's the den. A little closet will be in there. This is the den. The desk probably will be there. And then the bookcases around. Now I'm walking to the other side of the kitchen. Powder room. Laundry room. Linen closet. Powder room. See, my battery goes dead soon. The boys' bedroom. Bathroom. This is from the living room, working in the opposite way. Walking into the guest room now. The guest room. I'm upstairs now. Bedroom with the twin beds, which will go over there. And walking to the bathroom. I don't remember that I did this before the battery went good. The vanity will go there. And that's the window. I'm going to have a chandelier hanging up there. And it should throw quite a bit of light on the steps.
Yeah.
Yes. And on the bathtub, put the tile in it. Great. There, see? The ceilings, we'll do, all the ceilings are the same in every room, so I won't take everything.
She got a picture of that. No.
Huh?
She got a picture of that. Breaking her